Our industry is basically in the process industry. The emphasis on safety is actually our topmost priority. With this technology in place, we not only look at eliminating risk relating to human, at the same time we are also promoting cultivating productivity and cost effectiveness. We need to ensure that our workers are properly trained. It is quite common to find that the workers will be worried if the technology will replace their job entirely. So I had to find a right time to explain to them if we were to clean a tank using 9 people. Now with the robot replacing, they could carry out cleaning a second or a third tank within the same period of time. And once the workers understood that, they began to see the real benefits. They started to embrace technology.
Pestbusters, as the name said, we are in the busting business of pests. The biggest challenge for SME is to recruit staff, more so for pest control. Create a job environment or an office environment where they can learn, where technology is then used. The reason for putting up the command center is to really guide our people. Those days we have to pair them as buddies for the on-the-job training, whereas today we can see them and guide them through the views in our command center. We already save about 50% of the maintenance costs. What are the benefits for the people? What are the benefits that you're going to have for the customers? And what's the benefit for long-term employment?
AMD Singapore currently selling monitor as well as a public display in Asia Pacific region. The people is most important assets in the organization because our organization involve so many countries which help us to achieve the goal.
Our company introduced e-services. This helps us to focus on our engineering work and increases the productivity of the engineers by removing all the administrative overheads.
TP Vision has a very small work team. We have about 32 staff, and even though it is small, we want to engage our employees because we believe that happy employees, they are productive employees. So we introduce flexi work arrangements such as staggered working hours, telecommuting, shorter work week. This actually benefits our staff, especially mothers. Because of all these programs, we actually have zero attrition and very low absenteeism. We have got about 2/3 of our employees who are working outside office. We actually bring in employee self-service portal whereby if they are on leave or on MC, they are able to use the handphone app to upload their leave application. They don't have to come back to the office to report on all this.
Shalom Movers has grown from 12 men and 3 trucks to more than 100 over employees with more than 70 vehicles. Leadership is important in transforming the company.
Many of the management decisions we make is because of the love of our men. So we encourage and we motivate them to accept technology. Many of them come from backgrounds where they are not even used to the smartphones, but we can see productivity increase once they are able to accept the changes. And many of them are now well versed in technology. They are able to use the smartphone, the fleet management system, vehicle management system.